Hello, welcome to my channel Home Health Totke. Today in this video I will tell you benefits and uses of coconut water for hair. Before starting the video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for latest updates. Hair problems like dandruff, split ends and hair falls making you feel worried about your mane. These hair woes can take away the natural shine from your hair and leave it dull. It's time you include coconut water in your regime. Coconut water is packed with vital vitamins and minerals that could help you to get rid of dry and frizzy hair. Apart from these, it can also help you achieve long lustrous tresses and keep split ends at bay. Here's how you can use this wonder ingredient and bring your hair back to life. Benefits of coconut water: promotes hair growth. Coconut water has some active ingredients which help to relax the blood vessels and improve the blood circulation, which in turn boosts hair growth. Fights dandruff. One of the most common scalp problem is dandruff, and coconut water is the answer to that. Coconut water has antiseptic properties that can help in getting rid of dandruff. Prevents hair loss. Coconut water contains potassium and other nutrients that nourish your hair follicles, making them strong and preventing hair loss. So to maintain the health of your hair, drink coconut water daily. Add shine to hair. Coconut water adds immense shine to your hair, which can become permanent if used regularly. How to use coconut water for hair problems? Number 1. Coconut water and lemon. If you want to control your hair fall and want quick results, this one's for you. Lemon is packed with vitamin C that controls hair fall and ensure a healthy and clean scalp. To prepare this remedy, start off with mixing 1 cup of coconut water with 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Massage this mixture onto your scalp and leave it for 20 minutes. Wash it off with a mild shampoo. Number 2. Coconut water and honey. Honey is one versatile ingredient that is useful for all our body, hair and skin concerns. It nourishes the dry frizzy hair. Not just this, honey also strengthens the roots and fights the bacteria accumulated on your scalp. Simply mix 1/4 cup of coconut water with 1 teaspoon of honey. Massage this mixture onto your scalp and wash it off after 20 minutes. I will give you the link of 5 best coconut water and honey in the description. You can buy from Amazon.com. I hope this video will help you a lot. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon for latest update. Thanks for watching.